Today I'm going to show you how to create a value scale in Google Drawing. First, you're going to open up a blank Google Drawing document like I have. You're going to right-click on your background and select background and choose white. Okay, so you just have a solid blank canvas to work with. Then you're going to go to the Insert tool at the top. You're going to go to Shapes, and you can choose any shape you like. I'm going to start off with a really simple square just to show you, and we're going to make 10 of these squares with different values in each one. So I'm going to draw one square here. I'm going to keep it pretty small because we have to fit 10 in a row across our page. Okay, I'm going to make sure my square is highlighted, and then I'm going to go to the Fill tool up here. It looks like a little bucket of paint that's being tipped over. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on the solid black color there. Okay, so this is my darkest value. So now I'm going to add 9 different values that change all the way to white. Okay, and remember, values are the lightness or darkness of a color, and the value scale helps us organize those different values, and it will help us create the illusion of depth in a drawing. Okay, so I'm going to highlight, make sure my square is highlighted. Then I'm going to right click on it and copy and then paste. Whoops, paste. So I have another one. I'm going to align it so it's right next to my original square. And then I'm going to go back up to the Fill tool, and I'm just going to click on the next color. Okay, Google Drawing already has it organized for us, so it's actually really simple. So I'm going to click on the next color, and as you can see, it's a little bit lighter than our original color. Again, I'm going to select this, copy, paste, then arrange it next to my second square. I'm going to highlight it, go up to the Fill tool, and I'm going to select that third color there. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. So copy, paste, line up my squares, go up to the Fill tool, and select the fourth value. Okay, so as you can see, my black is getting lighter and lighter as we go. Okay, I'm going to select copy, paste, line it up, go up to my Fill tool, and select that next value. Same thing, I'm going to do this so that I have 10 squares that go from darkest to lightest. Okay, copy, paste. We're a little over halfway done. Again, you can use any shape you want. If you want to use a triangle or a circle, whatever you have in mind is fine. Just make sure you line them up and that you have 10 that go in order from either darkest to lightest, or you can go from lightest to darkest if you wish. Copy, paste. And that's my white. So we go from darkest to lightest. Okay, we go from black to white, and we have all these different gray tones in between. Okay, and you can see that this gray is a little bit darker than this gray. It's a little bit darker than the white. Okay, this gray is a little bit lighter than this one. This one's a little bit lighter than this one. Okay, so these tones will help us in our future drawings to create the illusion of depth, and I look forward to seeing your value scales.